what's up guys, Divikant Lady here and you're watching DKT Tech. So the new generation laptop these days have evolved quite a lot when it comes to portability, design and performance. And we have seen some tremendous new things coming through our way to make the current technology even better from its predecessor. As far as innovation in laptops is concerned, then there are few companies that come in our mind, in which Asus is one of them. Well, in today's video, we're gonna check out the new notebook from Asus, that is the Zenbook 15 UX534. So without any further delay, let's quickly get started. So, the Asus Zenbook series has always been built keeping the lightweight design, portability and performance in mind. And we have already covered a laptop from Zenbook series which had an amazing design. Here the device has got pretty much similar thing. It has better graphics card and overall performance than the earlier one. It has the same blue concentric circle metallic texture lid with similar golden branding, which looks quite premium. Also has got ergo lift design that lifts the keyboard to a certain angle for better ventilation and comfortable typing experience. Here it has got 15.6 inch 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution nano edge display with up to 95% of screen to body ratio, which gives you an exceptionally thin bezel that allowed the company to put a 15.6 inch display size in such a compact area. Here the device has got aluminum metallic chassis and just weighs 1.65 kgs with 18mm thickness in total, in spite of having quite a high configuration which includes a dedicated graphics card as well. Here an specially designed webcam and IR sensors are sitting on its usual location, that is under the top bezel of the screen, even though it has got thin bezels. Now the USB of the laptop is situated under the lid of the device, that is a touchpad which has a screen under it, which Asus named it as the screen pad. Well, this is the first thing you will notice just after booting the device for the first time. Well, we'll talk about in depth in just a while. Now if you look at the keyboard layout, you will get to see a full-sized keyboard with a dedicated numeric key since they had area to do so, and the color scheme around the keyboard is similar to that of the exterior. It has the same rose gold deco bar above the keyboard that gives a premium look to the overall layout. Here there is no significant flex in the keyboard and keys are chiclet type, which is backlit with enough key travel and has got a spacious palm rest which is quite comfortable in typing. Now as far as I/O ports are concerned, over at the right side of the device it has got SD card slot, a second generation USB 3.1 type C port, also a second generation 3.1 type A port, an HDMI port and a DC in port for charging. And over at the left side it has got a combo of 3.5mm microphone and audio jack with another USB 3.1 type A port along with CPU exhaust port for cooling. Now let's talk about the display of the device. So the Zenbook laptop has always been equipped with gorgeous display with 178 degrees of wide viewing angles, which reproduces vivid and accurate colors. Now this laptop has got a secondary display as well, which makes this device a special one. Here this screen has got 5.65 inches high resolution matte finish display. Here you have also got an option to use this as a secondary display or use it as a proper touchpad with all Windows gestures. This secondary display is powered by Screen Expert software which has got some handy tools in it such as handwriting recognition and Dock Expert, etc. Here you can also keep app shortcut and customize the layout as well, and once you find it handy, then this will increase the overall productivity. And apart from that, if you want, you can continue watching your favorite show or a movie in this small screen pad side by side along with your work at the same time. Now let's talk about the performance of the device in day-to-day usage. So this one comes in two different variants with 14 inches and 15 inches screen size with i5 and i7 Intel's processor in both the variants. Here the laptop that we have has got 8th generation Intel's i7 processor with the maximum clock speed of up to 4.6 GHz that is capable to do some heavy tasks. This one also has got a dedicated Nvidia GTX 1650 Max-Q graphics card with 4GB of GDDR5 video RAM, which is powerful enough to handle most of the graphic intensive games and heavy graphics tasks quite efficiently. Here the variant that we have has got 1TB of PCIe 3.0 M.2 slot SSD with the maximum speed of up to 3.2 GB per second of reading speed and up to 2.3 GB per second of writing speed. Also a 16GB of DDR4 RAM on board, and here both storage and RAM are not upgradable. So here you will have to keep this thing in your mind while buying one. Since I've been using this laptop as my primary PC from past 1 month now, and I am totally satisfied with its performance. There were no noticeable lags or stutters during the casual usage. Here I also tried some graphic intensive games such as Metro Exodus, Far Cry, PUBG Lite, etc. with an average frame rate of above 60 FPS at medium to high settings and more than 90 FPS at lower settings. Since it has got quite sleek design, the thermals in this one are also quite great. Here I saw significant heating over at the top side of the keyboard, which gets stagnant after reaching certain temperature, thanks to its dual exhaust fan that cool the temperature down really faster without creating much noise. And apart from that, it can easily handle some heavy software such as Adobe Suite, which includes Photoshop, Premiere Pro and After Effects, etc. And as far as the multimedia experience is concerned, it is quite amazing in this laptop. Here the audio is Harman Kardon certified, that gives you quite loud and crisp audio without any distortion even at higher volumes. The screen colors are really sharp and vibrant with deeper blacks and accurate colors that gives you immersive overall multimedia experience. Here the screen brightness levels are great for indoors, and since the screen is glossy, you may face some glaring issue if you are using this device facing the screen towards the light source. Alright guys, so let's conclude this whole review now. So this ScreenPad laptop starts with the price tag of around 83,000 rupees, that is the 14-inch variant one. And if you look at the compact size and sleek design with this kind of performance, and overall laptop seems quite impressive. You may find its direct buy link in the video description, so do check out that as well, and also hit that subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get notified about my next video. This is me Divekant signing off for now, and I'll see you super soon in the next one.